Merge sort. How merge algorithm works. Here we will depend on the descending order. So we will work from the smallest to the largest number. Look at these four numbers, 90, 50, 30, 40. We will apply the merge algorithm on these numbers. So how does it work? First of all, it divides the data that we have in half. We had four numbers on top of each other, now we have two on each side. Then it divides them again until each number is alone. After that, it compares each two numbers that are next to each other. Remember, we are sorting in the descending order, so the small will be on top. That is why we put the 50 on top of the 90, because 50 is smaller than 90. Okay, now let's compare the second two numbers that are next to each other. Of course, the smallest has to be on top. 30 is smaller than 40, so we put it on top of the 40. This is how the merge algorithm works. Okay, now let's continue. Now the numbers will go closer to each other like this, and the merge algorithm will compare the first two numbers that are next to each other. Of course, the smaller will be on top. 30 is smaller than 50, so it will go up like this. The 40 will go up next to the 50. Now the 50 and 40 are next to each other. Which is smaller? Of course, the 40 is smaller than the 50, so it will go on top of it like this. Now, all the numbers are sorted in the descending order. That means the merge sort has been done successfully.